Chérie, manger banane, manger banane.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Roxley and I'm back with another wig review. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. Also make sure you're hitting that bell so you're notified every single time I upload a new video. So today you guys, I am going to be showing you guys the Kira wig. I have it in right now. This wig of course was sent to me from Samsbeauty.com. Let me know what you guys think. Without further ado, we're just gonna go ahead and dive right into the video. And if you guys want to hear more deets and specs about this unit, just stay till the end and let's chat it up. let's go ahead and talk about this unit. All right, so first things first is obviously this wig is like dark root and like blonde hair. I know I haven't really given you guys some blonde vibes in a while, so I figured let me go ahead and throw something in that's a little different. I absolutely love this unit. I think it's really pretty. I was really nervous at first, to be completely honest, just because like I feel like blonde a lot of times makes me look a little washed out, but I figured out the trick. The trick is to do like a nude lip or just something very like subtle and like natural looking, because typically if I do like red with blonde, it's a bit much. It's a lot going on for me, right? So I think this is really pretty, and I love the dark root. The dark root makes me feel a little bit more confident to wear, you know, like the blonde hair. So for my dark skin girls, if you're, you know, scared to do blonde, don't be scared, girl. You just gotta go out and just do it, all right? So let's go ahead and talk about this unit. This is the Perfect Hairline by Outre. It is a 13x4 fully hand-tied lace wig, and it is their Kira wig. The color that I have it in right now is the, let me see, Malibu Blonde, 3DR Malibu Blonde. I can't talk, Malibu Blonde. This does come in different colors as well if you guys are interested. So it comes in a caramel, copper orange, autumn brown, cinnamon wine, golden amber, and then the Malibu blonde, which I have in right now. I do think that the copper and like the autumn are just really freaking pretty. I've actually seen them on some other YouTubers, and I thought it was so freaking pretty, but I haven't seen anyone do this in the blonde color just quite yet. So I figured let me go ahead and give you guys blonde vibes, and I haven't really done you know, like blondes in a while. So I went ahead and put the wig on first before actually cutting the lace. You guys saw that. I don't always do that, but I figured let me go ahead and just try that method, try that style. So as you guys can see here, I did use like my foundation around the edges, because there was like a white line, like you could really see like the lace before, so I had to apply a lot of my makeup on there. Will I say this wig is big head friendly? I'm gonna say kind of like medium. It's kind of in between, because it is a snug fit, but essentially I feel like it can work for someone with a bigger size head, if you know what I mean. It is your standard construction, so you get 2 clips in the front, 1 clip in the back, and then you get a wig band. I absolutely love the wig band. The wig band just gives me all the security that I need in the world, right? But I absolutely love the wig band. I will say, which I expected this to happen, but I did receive shedding with this unit. But because it's a, you know, it's processed, it's a processed color hair, it's blonde, I expected that with blonde. Typically any type of hair that I have that has a lot of color in it, I do expect like the shedding to come. It wasn't like a whole lot of shedding, but I did receive some shedding, especially considering that I cut a lot of the lace on the sides off with the hair. So of course you're gonna receive a lot of shedding once that happens. So for that part, I received shedding. I did receive just a couple of snags, not a whole lot. You just have to be really gentle, you know, with this wig. I received snags when I was trying to tie this up here. I wanted to give you guys some like a different look. You know, I always like put it off to the side as like a flip over, or you know what I mean. Like, so I was like, you know what, I want to give them something different. I want to give them a little pizzazz. So I decided to go with this look right here. But absolutely love this unit. I think it's super cute, super pretty. I didn't fully do this side here, like as far as like laying it down, so you can probably see just a little bit of the lace right here. So I tried as much as possible to just kind of like make it look, you know, as natural as possible, and I really didn't feel like doing that side completely and totally. But nonetheless, like, I think this wig is super pretty. Do I think it's a must-have in the wig collection? Yes, if you're looking for something that has, you know, some color to it, or you're looking for something different and this length is really pretty, I say definitely go ahead and snatch this one up. It's really freaking affordable. I believe this is under 50 bucks, maybe less than that. So yeah, but don't worry, I'll be leaving the link down in my information box below. I'm talking too fast because I'm talking way too fast. I will be leaving the link down in the description box below if you guys are interested in purchasing this one. I want to say thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.